Oh my god, I didn't know if him too. I'm sorry, I know it's scary. It's okay. So he's pretty good if you're just sitting with him? Okay. He's pretty calm. He doesn't go too far. It's okay. It's okay. He's like, oh, we have a willow bunny.
Hey, Willow.
He's a boy or girl? Maple, what is that? Emrys? No. It's going better than I thought it would. And he seems to like apples, so that's cool. It's alright, Hazel. He's itchy. We gotta give him a bath today. Owen. Good girl, Maple. Did you give the baby kisses? Here, you want these two? That's a baby. All right, Owen. Come here. Do you want these? There you go. Oh, yeah, he's a hungry baby. See? He's a hungry baby. All right, come on. You guys want dog food? Does that feel good? Does that feel good? What's the matter? Do you itch? You gonna scratch that butt? Oh, good boy. Yes, he's been scratching everything. Baby, what's the matter? What's the matter? You want me to scratch it? Huh? Do you want me to scratch it? Come here. He's like, no, I don't talk to you. Come here. Come here. What? Oh. I'm gonna pick him up and give him a bath. Good boy. You want to go back inside? Huh? Good boy. It's okay. What? What? Owen. Owen. Welcome home. What? You get to be the piggy of the farm. Oh, buddy. You ready to go back inside? He's like, I am scared to death of you. You squeezed me and poop plopped out, huh?
And now we have to grab him and make him even more scared.
Yeah, it sucks. The dogs need to be able to come out. Yeah. Oh, the door's not open. My bedroom door. To get him back into the bedroom. So that we can get the dogs out here and then get him back in the kennel. That's nice farm gear there. Well, he needed to poop. And I couldn't get the dogs to corral. And then he army crawled underneath the ring. And so then I'm trying to catch him because I know he has to go. No. It's first bath. No. Oh my goodness. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna be able to film this. Okay, settle down. That's enough. That's enough. You're freaking the dogs out. You're freaking the dogs out. No. No. Owen. No. You're itching so bad, buddy. Just let it soak you for a second. How is it itching? Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. I know. How dare you?
Cursing at us. Huh? He's cursing at us.
It's okay. Okay. Don't bite. Don't bite. All right. Towel. What are you eating, buddy? He's eating the towel.
Hi, Owen. Hi. Hi.
Start scratching his belly, and he'll flop over. Get scratching it. Oh! There he goes. He's like, yes. Tell me that is not the most cutest thing in the world.
Okay, this will be worth it to keep him in the house.
Yeah.
He feels greasy though.
I put coconut oil because he was scratching so bad.
That explains it.
Yeah. But he's not itching quite as bad now that I rubbed it.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
it's okay.
I just need to move my leg.
He's like, if you stop, I get up and I follow you because I think I'm going to get Cheerios.
Yeah, he loves Cheerios.
He does.
He got a bunch from me yesterday. I overdosed him
Yeah,
with Cheerios.
you only give them a couple. We have to watch their weight because they can get fat blind and fat deaf. They can't hear because there's so much fat rolls built up around their eyes and ears.
Okay.
He's so happy. Can you look at me for a second so I can get a picture? Oh yeah. Does that feel good?
His chin, the fur is a different texture.
It is, yeah, it's really soft. His snout is so soft.
Was that tasty? Was that yummy, yummy, yummy? Tasty apple?
See, isn't he wonderful?
Yeah, he is.
I didn't know it, but I grew that pumpkin just for you. Look at him. He took off with it. He's like,
Yeah.
I am not sharing this with anybody.
He's like, my pumpkin.
Is that the one you grew?
Yes.
Nice.
Owen, tell her you love her. You love her when she gives you the treats. Give him the treats. Just 2. Just 2 pellets. He's 1 pellet. Oh, he's like, I boop you. I snoop, I snoop. Oh. Okay, 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 okay. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. What? What? You're such a stinky cute baby and I love you. I don't have no more, buddy. Hmm? Oh. Are we gonna lose you? Are we gonna lose you? Huh? Is it gonna happen? Is it gonna happen? Oh, it happened. It happened. Oh. I say he's fitting well. Huh. You have fit in well and quickly. Because, like, everybody is like, okay, this happened. It's okay. It's okay. Huh. Yeah. Look at that face. Huh. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Huh. I feel good. Yeah. How dare I stop? Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What did you say to him?
He doesn't belong here.
He does belong here. Look at that face. Yeah. Tell her. Did you hear what your dad said last night?
No.
So in essence, I have to give 5 dog treats when I give treats? Yes. Yes, we do. Huh? Yes. He's just a little snooty puppy. He's a snooty puppy. You're a dirt puppy, huh? Are you a dirt puppy? You're a dirt puppy. Huh? Or a mud puppy? He's a mud puppy. What, Owen? What? Oh my gosh, I love him. I don't care what you say. He does belong. He does belong. My little mud puppy. My little mud puppy, huh? Oh, he loves his booty scratched. Huh? He loved that booty scratched. Oh, yeah, that's it. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, you broke the piglet. Huh. I like how he bristles this. Mm-hmm. Does that feel good? Does that feel good? Oh, Owen. Oh. He's such a good boy.